Hi everyone and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this wonderful video I want to talk about one of those interesting credit card which a specific bank has almost forgotten to upgrade, almost forgotten to give some sort of value, and today it is lying as one of the most useless credit card in the Indian market. Now I'm talking about a credit card which is known as the Paytm HDFC credit card. Let me just zoom for you guys. And this credit card is absolutely out for no money, even though the card has a lot of benefits, lots of intuitive benefits, but then people, those who have promoted this card, have actually given it for a toss, and God knows why they are not implementing or taking this card to a next level. I have been using this particular card for over, I think, more than 12 months now. I'm not exactly a very proactive user of this particular card, but when I was just checking today with so-called the features and the jam-packed initiatives Paytm HDFC card has given, I was literally shell-shocked because it has a punch, it has a very nice value as well, especially if the card comes absolutely free to you. So when you have this particular card, the first thing first what you have to do is you can get this card either a part of your credit card under HDFC Bank segment, and this will come to you absolutely rapid fire progress, so you won't have to struggle to fetch this particular card. If you're applying for the very first time, this card can give you a lot of unexpected benefits, which I'm about to reveal. Number one, when you have this card, you have to pay 500 plus GST, and the same goes for renewal as well. Now do remember, if you spend 30,000 rupees, so-called 30,000 rupees in a first 90 days, you're going to get your joining fees waived off. When it comes to renewal benefits, you need to spend, if I'm not mistaken, close to 50k in a membership year. So if you spend 50,000 plus, which is a very mediocre amount in any segment, you should be able to get more than 50k spend based 500 plus GST absolutely free. So if you really want to ask me and probably take my opinion, and before I give that to you, I really want you to understand what are the real perks you get when you have so-called 50k annual benefits, and what are those benefits. Now point number one, you're going to get 30 rupees of cashback if you're uploading Paytm wallet with the help of this particular card, which requires you to pay at least 500 rupees of transaction. Now do remember, Paytm wallet nowadays is done and dusted. It's not approved right now for by RBI because of certain transactions, but all in all, if you pay attention to this, you should be able to get flat 30 rupees cashback if you're uploading money on Paytm wallet. That's benefit number one. That's a kind of a welcome gift as well. Second, you have 1000 cashback points on 5 eligible UPI transactions in a month. Now any 5 UPI transaction, if you do in a month, if you are eligible, you're going to get 1000 cashback points. Now these 1000 cashback points can be redeemed for checking your score, for checking or refreshing your score, which you have to pay close to 200 points on Paytm, and every 30 to 45 days Paytm gives us the option to check your CIBIL score without CIBIL subscription. Now that's one of the healthy things I really like about this particular card. Point number three, 6 months Sony Live subscription, which is absolutely valuable. You also have 6 months ZEE5 premium subscription, which in my book has been one of the plus points because ZEE5 has been launching and producing a lot of content. So these are the welcome benefits you get, and that is why I normally say if you're getting this card absolutely free, and if you can spend 50k in a, let's say, fiscal year, this card is worth having in your wallet. Let's talk about the rewards section. So when you spend, for example, on Paytm application, you're going to get 3% cashback points and max 500 cashback points in a particular month. That's number one. Other Paytm spends, if you do, you get 2%, that is 500 max in a specific month, and the retail spends, if you do, you get 1% cashback, which is almost 1k in a month. Moving towards the grocery spend, 1000 max cashback point you can get if you're spending on this particular credit card. And don't forget, the biggest advantage of this particular credit card is that this particular credit card is going to give you 1 cashback is equal to 1 rupee, just like HDFC Millennia credit card. So in case if you are wondering whether you should go for this card or not, well, this is some of the benefits. If you talk about the milestone benefits, The card only has a milestone benefits, such as if you spend, for example, 10,000 rupees in a particular month, you're going to get 100 rupees cash back, which, trust me, sucks. And that's one of the things I've used, and I've called this card a kind of a useless card because the milestone benefit sucks. The only plus point with this particular card is the 1:1, so-called 1 cashback point is equal to 1 rupee in transaction. Last but not the least, the domestic lounge and the international lounge is absolutely zero. You get nothing over here, and all in all, this particular card to me makes no sense, no value. But if you are coming on the very first time through Paytm platform, and if you'd like to have a credit card where you have CIBIL score of more than 720 plus, this could be a must have card in your wallet. Well, thank you so much for this video. This is all I wanted to share. If you have any questions, you have my X handle, you have my Instagram handle, you have my Facebook, especially all my members, those who are connected. You cannot connect with me on one-on-one unless until you are with me on Facebook. So Facebook is a must for channel paid members. Otherwise, you will be losing one of those important features, which is 1:1 Facebook Live Connect. Till next time, you take care and thanks for watching.